Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to unfreeze Nav checking account. If you don't have a Nav account yet, we've included our affiliate link in the description below, along with other helpful business tools and resources, so feel free to check those out. Once you've clicked on our affiliate link, you should see a screen that looks like this. Go ahead and click on the Login button to get started. Next, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. Then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option for banking. On this page, you will see the list of your checking accounts. Click on your frozen checking account. Next, you will see an option that says Unfreeze Card. Click on Unfreeze Card. A pop-up tab will then appear asking you to confirm that you wish to unfreeze your card. To proceed, click on Unfreeze Virtual Card. That's how you unfreeze your Nav checking account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.